All right, living with Amazon. What's up, everybody? My name is Daryl Willie, and you are rocking with me on Living with Amazon. I appreciate you being here. You could have been anywhere else, but you are here with me today. This is not just a channel where I talk about and review products. This is a channel where these products are my life. Okay, so you are getting a behind the scenes look at how I live my life, things that I use for real. Okay, so we know we're coming up on summer. I am 6 feet. I was 228. Your boys dropped 6 pounds. Why? Because of what we're talking about today. I am trying to get this beach body ready for the summer. I don't know if it's possible. I think it is. I'm on the right track, trending in the right direction. I've lost 6 pounds in the last 30 days. Seemed kind of slow, but we're going to pick it up. So, protein. This is got to be the most important thing you can do when it comes to getting your body correct. Now, I'm not just talking about living like, I'm talking about performing optimally. Okay? You cannot out-train a bad diet. Let me give you that again. You cannot out-train a bad diet. So you must put the right things in you. That number one cornerstone of what you need is protein. Protein builds and repairs your tissues, if you did not know. It also helps you maintain lean body mass. Hey, you guys like my support loud music hat? I am seriously getting in a vibe right now. I am in a mood, right? So, also, protein supports bone health. Now, let's break down some other things. Weight management. High protein diets increase satiety. Hormones like GLP-1. You guys hear about that all the time. It decreases your hunger. This is what we're talking about. When you have a high protein diet, it can help decrease your hunger. Also, boosting metabolism. Okay, protein burns more calories during digestion than fats and carbohydrates. I know this is in a science class, but I want you guys to understand why. I am going to show you these products today because they are literally helping me out. I have lost 6 pounds in the last 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. Bone health. Protein strengthens bone density. Fast recovery. Repairs tissues. It improves your immune function. It helps produce antibodies and fights infection. Now, recommended. Now, consult your doctor, your physician, your primary care. But in general, they say take 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight a day. Now, great sources of protein include lean meats, talking your chickens and turkeys, seafood, eggs, dairy, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese. We're going to get into that. Stay tuned. And also plant-based options like tofu, lentils, beans. All right, so on and so forth. So, now, if you look over here, this is my go-to in the morning. I am one of those people who struggles, right? I am one of those people who actually struggle with eating solid food in the morning. When I wake up, I'm really not interested in anything solid. I also wake up like a fireman, like on the go. So when I wake up, my day starts fast and crazy, right? Not a lot of time to sit around, walk around, watch the news, texting, and, surfing the web. Like when I get up, I'm really in go time. So one of the things I like to do is I like to grab something easy that's transportable, that gives me a high dose of protein, but also low calories, because your boy is not trying to blow up. I'm trying to slim down, right? Why slim slow when you can slim fast? I'm trying to slim down, but I need a lot of protein. Now, if you can get 30 plus grams of protein per meal, that is super duper if you can do it. But again, consult your professionals, your health professionals, to see what works for you. But for me, I'd like to get high dosages of protein, 25 to 40 grams per meal. Now, I don't eat a lot of meals because I like to use intermittent fasting. So I try to fast a big portion of the day, so it doesn't leave room for a lot of big meals throughout the day. So this protein drink here, or protein shakes, there's many of them, but here is a great one. It is called Ensure Max Protein. Okay, my favorite flavor is chocolate, for whatever reason. All right, I love chocolate. They also come in birthday cake, caramel, cherry cheesecake. Okay, you can get it in cafe mocha, creamy peach. But that to the side, what I want you to focus on is 30 grams of protein. Okay, that is a huge chunk. Also, I want you to look at 1 gram of sugar. Awesome, because to me, no sugar is the best. But 1 gram, I can rock with. But personally, no sugars are the absolute best for me. All right, also, remember what I said. I want to keep my calorie intake down. So I love to be in a caloric deficit where I'm burning more than I'm taking in. So 150 calories on that is fantastic. Now, again, this drink is easy. It's just a little shake. I can throw it in my bag. I can get out the door. I can drink it as I'm driving. I can drink it when I get to job sites. It's just very convenient for me to do it and then just toss it away when I'm finished with it. There's no cooking, there's no cleaning, there's no dishes to do. Okay, so Ensure Protein Max, 30 grams of protein. Please check it out. The next product I want to talk about is Good Culture. This has got to be one of the absolute hottest products I have found and that I use. I did not know that I was such a big fan of cottage cheese until this product. I'm going to be totally serious. Guys, it also comes in a 2%, right? Organic 2% low-fat cottage cheese by a company called Good Culture. The price is incredibly right. Listen to this. Only 90 calories. Now, check this out. 14 grams of protein. That is insane. 14 grams of protein. This is absolutely easy breezy. All right, now the way that I would do this is I would take a piece of toast, right? Get you a little piece of bread, multigrain, whatever you have, and I would rub a little avocado on there so you can get some healthy fats, right? And then on top of that, you can put your cottage cheese, put that on. Now you have healthy fats, you have your protein. You will be full, very small meal, not a lot of calories, high in protein. You are killing it and doing your body very, very good, right? Let's move on to the next product. The next product is CHOMPS. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. I didn't realize until I really started counting calories how I would get the munchies. Now, I burn a lot of calories because I move around a lot in the day. And I did not realize that I was reaching for unhealthy options. Let me say it again. Unhealthy options. How many of you can honestly say you're like me when you're working, you're busy, you got family, you got work, you got everything else, and you're just grabbing the quickest thing you can get, the most available thing you can get. And usually that's unhealthy. But when I found CHOMPS, oh my gosh. CHOMPS Original Turkey Sticks. Now they have other flavors, but this is the one for me, and I hope it's the one for you. CHOMPS Original Turkey Sticks, 8-count pack. Okay, guys, we're talking about only 80 calories. Think about that. Only 80 calories. 12 grams of protein. Look at this. 12 grams of protein. 0 sugars. Let me give you that again. 0 sugars. You cannot beat this as a snack. And another thing I will tell you, if you like beef jerky, Slim Jims, and these type of things, guys, this is the thing for you. This is the healthy option. Not only that, when I eat it, I feel full. Me personally, I wouldn't have never thought this little skinny stick would make me feel full and help me get through to the next meal, but it actually does. And you're still getting your protein. So I hope you guys really think about these products. Let's go through it one more time real quick. We have your Ensure Max Protein, 30 grams of protein, only 150 calories. You can get a 12-pack for just $12.97. Check that out, $12.97. You cannot beat that. Also, let's look at Good Culture. Guys, please, when you try Good Culture, please send me a message in the link telling me what a great idea this was. This cottage cheese is next level. This is the game changer. Matter of fact, above all these products, this one right here is the game changer because you can do so much with cottage cheese and create different things. 14 grams of protein, only 90 calories, $6.99. You can't beat that. And last but not least, CHOMPS. I like turkey. They have other flavors. Try turkey first. Please try turkey first. 12 grams of protein, no sugars. You can't beat this. 80 calories, keeping you slim, sexy, ready for summer, ready to rock, optimal body, doing real good. Love you guys. Appreciate you. Check out the products. Products or links are in the description below. All right. Don't forget to leave any kind of comments, any products you want me to take a look at. Definitely leave that in the comments. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me grow the channel, also reach more people with this positive message. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.